Girls and boys, look what I'm making. Maggie! Mama will help me a little bit now, Mama.
Yes.
I'm kind of scared from the fire. I'll get burned. So what will happen? I have to go to the doctor and put one bandage. I don't like it. I can draw anything in the bandage. Girls and boys, you can even draw a design pattern. You can even draw that now. Boys, let's start now. The water is boiling, and when we will have to start, I add some Maggi. Look, girls and boys, look. Mama, see, show the camera. Yep, there's two of them. This one. Let it boil the water. Okay, we have left over here. I'm going to use this. Oh. So girls and boys, I'm going to eat. Look at this delicious meal. I eat sometimes of these spicy noodles. If you ever want, I don't know where did this get? It's really spicy, but I can eat spicy. मैं तो खुद से खा रहा हूँ. Let's check out this. There's so much noodles down here. Girls and boys, this is really very tasty.